Before you buy another insurance policy, stop and listen to this. I'm about to share 5 things your insurance company will never, ever tell you. And each one of them could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars every single year. Most people have no clue these secrets even exist, but today you're going to learn them. Whether we're talking about car insurance, health insurance, or life insurance, these companies are businesses. And just like any other business, they make more money when you don't fully understand how their system works. So today, let's pull back the curtain and uncover the tricks they hope you never find out. First up, a shocking truth. Insurance companies often raise your rates not because you've become a bigger risk, but because you're a loyal customer. It's a sneaky tactic called price optimization. Instead of just calculating your premium based on your driving record or your age, they use sophisticated data to guess if you are the kind of person who won't bother shopping around and switching companies. If their data models flag you as sticky, meaning you're likely to stay put, your premium quietly starts to creep up year after year. Think about it. A policy with a $500 deductible might cost you $200 to $400 more per year than a policy with a $1,000 deductible. Yet, so many people stick with low deductibles because it feels safer. But here's the smart way to think about it. If you have even a small emergency fund saved up, say, $1,000 or more, raising your deductible is the fastest and easiest way to slash your premium. Your insurance company is perfectly happy to let you pay them extra for that low deductible, but they won't be the one to suggest you raise it. The third secret is a big one. Insurance companies make a fortune when you buy more coverage than you actually need. And here is the crazy part. Millions of Americans are overinsured right now and don't even realize it. You could be saving a significant amount each month with a higher deductible plan. You actually don't need this coverage anymore. It's up to you to regularly review your policies and make those adjustments. But trimming that unnecessary coverage could free up a serious amount of cash in your budget every single month. Secret number 4 is a painful but important truth. A huge number of insurance claims are not denied because of fraud or because the claim isn't valid. They're denied because of simple paperwork errors, missing documents, or unclear information provided in the initial filing. And the insurers know this. They also know that most people, when they get that denial letter, just give up. They get frustrated, they feel defeated, and they assume that's the end of the road. But here's what the insurance company doesn't want you to know. You have the power to fight back. First, you can and should appeal any denied claim. Get it in writing. Second, you have the right to submit extra documents, receipts, photos, and statements to support your case. Often, a denial is just a request for more information in disguise. For car accidents, health procedures, and even life insurance payouts, persistence pays off. Don't take no for an answer. Most of us assume our agent is like a personal financial advisor, someone whose job is to help us find the absolute best option for our needs and our budget. And that commission is often based on how much coverage you buy, which specific policy type you choose, and which add-ons you accept. So naturally, they're not always going to steer you toward the cheapest option. They're incentivized to guide you toward the policy that pays the company and in turn them the most money. They might not mention a more basic, more affordable alternative if a pricier one puts more commission in their pocket. But remember this, you are always in control. You can always say no to add-ons, extra riders, and expensive upgrades that you don't understand or don't need. It's your right to ask for clear explanations, to ask for cheaper alternatives, and to compare different versions of every policy. A good agent will respect that. So let's quickly recap the 5 things your insurance company hopes you never learn. They count on your loyalty to quietly raise your rates. They count on your confusion about deductibles to keep you paying more. They count on you buying coverage you don't need. If this video helped you understand the insurance system a little better, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, practical tips on money and insurance here in the US, and let me know in the comments. Do you want a part 2 with even more insurance secrets? Thanks for watching.